Today, we're breaking down 10 of the biggest SUVs on the market in 2026, covering engine specs, interior features, off-road capability, fuel economy, reliability issues, and everything else you need to know. Let's start the countdown. 10. Hyundai Palisade 2026. The ultimate family SUV, luxurious, spacious, and packed with high-tech features that make every trip a first-class experience. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Palisade offers two powertrain choices, a 3.5-liter V6 with 287 HP and 260 pound-feet of torque, and a new hybrid powertrain combining a 2.5-liter Turbo 4 with electric motors for up to 329 HP and strong torque, both mated to smooth automatic transmissions. The V6 is capable and refined, designed for comfort rather than outright speed, while the hybrid delivers quicker acceleration and much better efficiency. Interior and comfort. One of the biggest selling points of the Palisade is its premium cabin. The interior feels almost luxury car-like with high-quality materials, comfortable seating for up to 8 passengers, relaxation seating options, and a panoramic sunroof. Cargo space is generous, and there are plenty of USB-C ports throughout. Off-road and performance tweaks. For buyers who want mild adventure capability, Hyundai's XRT Pro trim adds rugged looks, lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, and terrain driving modes like mud, sand, and snow. The standard AWD system with tow mode enhances traction and stability. Fuel and running. The base V6 Palisade returns around 20 mpg combined, 18 city, 24 highway, on regular gas, with a range of roughly 340 to 450 miles depending on driving style. The hybrid version promises 30-plus mpg highway and a range approaching 619 miles on a full tank, making it a standout for long trips. Pros and cons. Pros: spacious and comfortable interior, excellent tech and safety features, hybrid option improves economy. Cons: standard V6 feels underpowered for the vehicle's weight, and earlier buyers report minor electrical quirks in first production batches. 9. Kia Telluride 2026. A bold, award-winning SUV that combines rugged capability with a refined, roomy interior, perfect for families who love adventure. Engine and performance. The Telluride carries a tried-and-true 3.8-liter V6, producing 391 HP and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic. It delivers smooth, dependable power for daily driving and highway merging, with acceleration around 6.9 seconds to 60 miles per hour in most trims. Inside, the Telluride is roomy and family-friendly, with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, multiple USB ports, available heated and ventilated seats, premium upholstery, and a sophisticated cabin that rivals more expensive SUVs. Third-row access and legroom are good for adults on short trips, but a bit snug for long journeys. Telluride's X Pro trim gives mild off-road capability with all-terrain tires and robust suspension tuning, making it suitable for light trails and rough roads. Fuel and running. Fuel economy ranges from about 20/26 mpg city highway for front-wheel drive and 18/23 mpg with AWD, good for a 3-row SUV of this size. That translates to 375 to 415 miles of driving range before refueling. Pros and cons. Pros: strong value, refined interior, smooth ride, strong reputation. Cons: a hybrid variant may arrive in 2027 with better fuel economy, and some owners note the seat folding systems can be less intuitive. 8. Chevrolet Tahoe 2026. America's classic full-size powerhouse, strong, reliable, and ready for towing, road trips, or weekend adventures. Engine and performance. The 2026 Tahoe remains one of the last full-size SUVs with traditional V8 engine options. You can choose between a 5.3-liter V8 with about 355 HP and 383 pound-feet of torque, a more powerful 6.2-liter V8 producing around 420 HP and 460 pound-feet of torque, or an efficient 3.0-liter inline-6 diesel that makes approximately 305 HP and 495 pound-feet of torque. All engines use a smooth 10-speed automatic, and AWD is available across the lineup, while RWD remains standard on many trims. The Tahoe with the larger V8 feels strong and capable on highways and towing routes, while the diesel offers abundant low-end torque for both highway merging and loaded towing. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Tahoe cabins continue to be spacious and user-friendly. Many trims come with a 17.7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a comfortable digital driver display, and plenty of storage space. Mid-range and higher trims include premium leather, second-row captain's chairs, power-adjustable steering, and enhanced audio systems. Cargo space behind the third row is respectable, with more room available when you fold the second and third rows. Off-road and performance tweaks. The Z71 trim is the go-to model for mild off-road use with all-terrain tires, a 2-speed transfer case, and underbody protection. It's not a hardcore rock crawler, but it improves traction on dirt roads and snowy surfaces. Fuel and running. Fuel economy varies widely depending on the engine. The base V8 models are generally rated around 14 to 17 mpg combined, and the diesel can provide closer to 20-26 mpg combined with improved highway range. A Tahoe with a diesel engine can offer over 500 miles of range on longer trips before refueling. Super Cruise hands-free driving is available on mid to high trims. Pros and cons. Pros: strong towing capability, versatile engine lineup including a diesel, roomy interior, big cargo volume. Cons: fuel economy is average at best, the huge size can make parking difficult, and premium trims get pricey. 7. GMC Yukon 2026. The upscale cousin of the Tahoe, delivering luxury, technology, and muscle in one commanding SUV. Engine and performance. The 2026 Yukon shares much of its underpinnings with the Tahoe, but positions itself as a slightly more upscale full-size SUV. It offers the same 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8s, as well as the torque-rich 3.0-liter Duramax diesel inline-six, all paired with a 10-speed automatic. The diesel model stands out for torque and efficiency, while the V8s offer strong acceleration and towing capability. Interior and comfort. Yukon interiors feel more refined than the Tahoes, with available heated, ventilated seats, massaging front seats, and premium Bose audio systems. The infotainment tech includes an 11-inch driver display and a 16.8-inch center touchscreen, plus wireless smartphone connectivity and multiple USB ports. Bigger trims can feel nearly as luxurious as some high-end premium SUVs. Off-road and performance tweaks. HE4 versions add off-road ready suspension tuning, all-terrain tires, and enhanced traction control. While not designed to tackle extreme terrain like dedicated off-road machines, the Yukon AT4 improves capability on gravel, snow, and dirt routes. Fuel and running. Fuel economy closely mirrors the Tahoe's numbers. Diesel models lead with roughly 20 to 26 mpg combined, while gasoline V8s average in the mid-teens. Yukon's long-wheelbase Yukon XL versions also extend cargo space and driving range, but don't significantly change mpg figures. Pros and cons. Pros: spacious and tech-rich interior, available diesel option with good range, strong towing performance. Cons: big size can be unwieldy, fuel economy is low for gasoline V8s, and luxury features raise price quickly. 6. Tesla Model X 2026, the electric SUV that redefines speed and innovation, jaw-dropping acceleration, and futuristic tech inside and out. Engine and performance. Unlike the previous SUVs, the X is fully electric, delivering instant torque and blistering acceleration from its dual-motor AWS setup. The base Model X offers around 670 HP, with a 0 to 60 mph sprint in under 4 seconds, while the Plaid version cranks output toward 1020 HP for supercar-level performance. The AWS system and electric motor configuration make the X fast and highly responsive for a vehicle of its size. Interior and comfort. Tesla's interior philosophy centers on minimalism with a large 17.4-inch touchscreen at the center and a digital driver display. A second-row touchscreen adds multimedia control. The panoramic glass roof provides a spacious feeling, and different seating configurations, 5 to 6 seats, allow flexibility. However, interior materials and fit and finish lag behind rivals at similar prices. Tech and features. Tesla's full self-driving suite and autopilot hardware are standard, offering advanced driver assistance, though real-world results vary and require careful use. Supercharger access remains a major convenience for long trips. Off-road and performance tweaks. The X isn't designed as a hardcore off-roader, but its low center of gravity thanks to the battery pack and AWS traction control make it capable on gravel and light dirt routes. Air suspension options can assist in adjusting ride height from mild rough surfaces. Fuel and running. Electric range varies by configuration, around 335 to 352 miles per charge, depending on wheels and trim. Charging speeds up to about 250 kilowatts on compatible stations help reduce downtime on long trips. Pros and cons. Pros: phenomenal acceleration, long electric range, cutting-edge tech, supercharger network. Cons: interior quality and space usage aren't class-leading. Falcon wing doors can be impractical, and reliability and build quality complaints circulate online. 5. Hyundai Ioniq 5 2026, the stylish, futuristic electric SUV, compact, efficient, and perfect for modern city life with zero emissions. Engine and performance. The Ioniq 5 continues as a compact electric SUV that earned praise for its design and real-world efficiency. It uses a dedicated EV platform with options of single-motor RWD or dual-motor AWD configurations. Power and performance vary with battery and motor setup, with some trims delivering brisk acceleration and responsive handling. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Ioniq 5 has a modern retro-futuristic design with a large layout, flat floor, and high-quality materials for its price bracket. Seats are comfortable, and features include dual widescreen displays, a multi-function steering wheel, and extensive connectivity. Off-road and performance tweaks. Even though it's not built for off-roading, AWD models provide improved traction in snow and light dirt routes. Lower trims maintain sportier on-road handling. Fuel and running. Being fully electric, the ioniq 5's fuel economy is excellent, often exceeding 100 plus mpge combined with industry-leading efficiency and rapid charging capability. Range varies by battery pack, but generally sits in a competitive segment-leading area. 4. Land Rover 2026. The legend returns. Iconic off-road capability meets modern luxury, built to conquer any terrain in style. Engine and performance. The Defender blends luxury and serious off-road capability. Engine options range from a turbocharged 296 horsepower 4-cylinder up to a potent 518 horsepower supercharged V8, and even a 626 horsepower twin-turbo V8 in the top Octa variants, each with an 8-speed automatic and standard AWS. Its independent suspension and adjustable ride height make terrains easy to tackle. Interior and comfort. The interior feels modern yet rugged with available 13.1-inch infotainment screens, PV Pro software, and supportive seats. Larger windows and thoughtful controls enhance visibility and daily usability, though premium material levels depend on trim. Off-road and performance tweaks. Defender's hallmark is its off-road prowess. Locking differentials, high ground clearance 11.5 inches, and terrain response systems make it capable against tough trails and water crossings up to 35 inches. Modern trims add adaptive off-road cruise control and tailored drive modes. Fuel and running. Fuel economy is modest due to Defender's size and capability, ranging from roughly 15 to 20 mpg combined depending on engine choice. Expect less economy with the larger V8s and more spirited driving. 3. Audi Q7 2026. Sleek, refined, and loaded with tech, the premium 3-row SUV that makes driving both comfortable and exhilarating. Engine and performance. The Audi Q7 offers smooth performance from a choice of turbocharged engines, typically a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder around 261 HP and a stronger 3.0-liter V6 around 335 HP paired with an 8-speed automatic. Quattro AWD is standard, helping balance traction and handling. Interior and comfort. Audi's cabin feels premium with quality materials, intuitive tech, and a clean design. 3-row seating is available, but the 3rd row is best suited for children due to size constraints. Off-road and performance tweaks. Airmatic suspensions and optional rear steering aid stability and handling on winding roads. While not hardcore off-road, Q7's AWD and suspension system handle snowy or gravel conditions easily. Fuel and running. Fuel economy is competitive for its class, and the lighter 4-cylinder helps improve economy while the V6 offers stronger acceleration. Pros and cons. Pros: upscale interior, comfortable ride, agile handling for the class. Cons: 3rd row is cramped, fuel economy is middling, and the design is aging relative to newer rivals. 2. Mercedes-Benz GLE 2026. Luxury, performance, and innovation collide. The GLE sets the standard for modern, sophisticated SUVs. Engine and performance. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE 2026 offers a wide range of engines suitable for different buyers. 2.0-liter turbo i4 with mild hybrid around 255 to 295 HP, excellent balance of power and fuel efficiency. 3.0-liter inline-6 turbo with mild hybrid about 375 HP and 369 pound-feet torque, strong mid-range performance. Plug-in hybrid GLE 450e, combined output around 381 HP with approximately 49 miles EV range and excellent efficiency. 4.0-liter V8 mild hybrid GLE 580, powerful 510 HP for smooth, effortless highway cruising. AMG variants GLE 53 or GLE 63S, performance-oriented with up to 603 HP for rapid acceleration. All models use a 9-speed automatic transmission and offered AWD 4MATIC for traction and control. Mild hybrid helps with throttle response and smoother power delivery across the lineup. Interior and comfort. Inside, the GLE cabin is spacious, premium, and very tech-rich. It features dual 12.3-inch digital displays, one for the driver and one for infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and optional Burmester premium audio. Seating is comfortable with plenty of legroom front and rear. Optional ventilated, heated, and massage seats add luxury touches. Cargo space with seats up is competitive for the class, around 33.3 cubic feet, expanding significantly with the rear seats folded. Off-road and performance tweaks. The GLE's 4MATIC AWD system ensures secure grip in rain, snow, and light off-road conditions, and available adaptive air suspension improves both comfort and handling. While it's not designed as a rugged off-roader, it performs very well on gravel roads and uneven surfaces, while boosting stability on highways. Fuel and running. Fuel economy varies by engine. 2.0-liter i4 up to about 21 to 28 miles per gallon city highway rear-wheel drive or about 19 to 26 miles per gallon AWD. Inline 6 specs about 19 to 25 miles per gallon combined. GLE 450e plug-in hybrid, an impressive 60 miles per gallon E and over 50 miles of pure electric range before switching to hybrid mode. V8 engines, lower efficiency about 15 to 20 miles per gallon with high torque and acceleration. Range on a full tank varies from 420 to 500 plus miles depending on engine and driving style. Pros and cons. Pros, huge range of powertrains from fuel-efficient hybrids to powerful AMG variants, luxurious cabin with advanced tech and premium materials, smooth ride and confident AWD performance. Cons, fuel economy drops significantly with larger engines. AMG trims get expensive quickly. Some controls may feel overly complex or touch-centric for some buyers. 2098 Range Rover 2026, the ultimate status SUV, combines unmatched luxury, powerful engines, and legendary off-road mastery in one iconic package. Engine and performance. The 2026 Range Rover 2026 defines luxury SUV capability with multiple potent engine options. 3.0-liter inline-six mild hybrid, about 395 HP and 406 pound-feet torque, smooth and refined. 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 P530, about 523 HP with strong acceleration, about 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Plug-in hybrid P550e, combined gasoline plus electric output, about 542 HP with some electric-only capability. Top-tier V8 P615, around 606 HP for near supercar acceleration and authority on highways. Every Range Rover comes with full-time AWD, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and a chassis designed to balance effortless highway cruising with real off-road capability. Interior and comfort. Range Rover cabins are built for luxury. Standard features often include leather upholstery, multi-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, massage seating options, and premium Meridian sound systems. Interior tech includes dual large digital displays, around 13.7 inches instrument panel display and 13.1 inches infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and extensive customization options. Cargo space is generous, and long wheelbase models offer even more room or an optional third row for 7-seat flexibility. Off-road and performance tweaks. The Range Rover keeps its legendary off-road ability. Terrain response systems, adjustable air suspension, and full-time four-wheel drive make it capable on muddy tracks, steep gravel, snow, and even shallow water crossings. Ground clearance is adjustable on the fly for better obstacle clearance, and locking differentials improve traction in extreme conditions. Fuel and running. Fuel economy is competitive for a large luxury SUV. Inline six, about 19 to 24 miles per gallon combined, with about 450 plus miles range. Plug-in hybrid, about 53 miles per gallon E combined with some electric-only miles. V8 engines, about 16 to 23 miles per gallon with excellent torque and smooth power delivery. Range Rover's Fank tank allows extensive long-distance driving without frequent stops. Pros and cons. Iconic luxury interior and prestigious presence. Wide range of powerful engines including PHEV option. Unmatched balance of on-road refinement and off-road prowess. Cons. Very high starting price and quick option cost escalations. Complex infotainment menus can be confusing for some owners. Long-term maintenance costs can be expensive for some owners.